guys can probably guess, yes, Olivia's in the kitchen again late at night. Yes, LaQuisha's with me. And yes, we're making food that we don't need to really be making.
I should never clean my eyebrows off.
I like this gray. I really like this gray. But yeah, so LaQuisha's gonna make French toast because she's actually haunted. She never brought her to the grocery store because that's all she's making since.
I don't have nothing else that's light to eat.
Alright.
Unless I eat
Snacks.
very little rice as a snack.
You can make bread and peanut butter.
In the eyes of the Lord.
You can make bread and peanut
I
butter.
don't like peanut butter.
Anyways, Olivia's gonna make rice, like an actual something
And then you're
substantial.
hitting on me for making French toast.
I'm making rice.
At this time of day? Or
Yes, yes.
night? You know your eyes would be nice if it was like hazel brown?
Yeah, that's why in the summer it's lit. People like to call me cat eyes. I'm really tired. I was really gonna film another video, but I was like, you know what, Olivia, you're kind of tired, and it's like, it's not that serious. It is that serious because I actually look cute, but you know what? It's fine. We'll just look cute another day. I have a presentation tomorrow that I have to write up. I have a presentation tomorrow. Wow. Let's make this food still.
You can even have. Oh,
Look at me.
why is it so sooty?
Look.
Can you move? Like, I'm looking ratchet. You look at how you're looking.
Could joined our live. One and only Queen Abs, you already know.
No, now it's Abigail.
Oh, sorry, it's Abigail Z, sorry.
Yeah.
She's grown, she's grown.
Yeah, like it's not even turning fam.
Yeah. The cooker is better, that's all I can say. Look. But it's not even holding anything.
Yeah. I'm like, did y'all
Okay,
dull
like
up or
this.
something?
Okay, I got it.
Ready? Oh shoot, this thing's heavy. Oh. Wait. Oh. I didn't realize. This thing went in my eye, bro. This thing went in my eye. Unruly. Wow, that thing went in my eye.
Look, it looks red. And
Yeah.
swollen right here. No, stop.
Can you
rubbing
chill? Can you chill? Telling me it's swollen. Scaring my life. Yeah, no, for real. Like,
It. It does look swollen.
can you stop?
Okay, stop. Okay, sorry.
Because, where's my pot? Much better than last time. I think it's rid of this. No, it's a calm down. Yeah. Like, really, like, this is worse than fried chicken right now.
Keep mixing it until you no longer see any white grains of rice. Can you taste? You're so dumb. Okay, hurry up.
It's hot.
Would have been cool by now. Oh, now let me get this angle. Let me get this angle.
Oh, I got selfie. Okay, taste it.
Oh no, I'm not.
I did something squishy, but it was.
That's probably the carrot.
It was a pepper.
Hey man.
Now I'm doing too much.
Yeah, you're doing too much. Way too much.
Thank you.
Be better.
Okay.
Okay, so I had a beautiful conversation with my twin aunts because you already know what type of day it is. So I have a group presentation today and it's 4 o'clock. 4:13. I'm supposed to be in my group at 4:30. Wow. I'm supposed to be in my group at 4:30. Just so happened to wake up at 2 o'clock. So I had to get up and like rush and get myself together. We're just gonna get ready and try and find something to wear for this presentation. I was gonna wear my black leather jacket, but I was like, no, let me add a little spice. So I add a little spice and I put on the blue jacket.
Good. Our first group.
First.
First.
Are you guys presenting today? Huh?
You can take picture.
Hey. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, hello there. You know you did that? You know those stupid kid shows and the person's like, well, hello. Like, and you're a full grown adult, like,
Yes.
I mean, if you want to see the hits, like, you know, you gotta subscribe.
I gotta subscribe.
Presentation today.
I did have a presentation today.
I see the all dress. Ready to present. Hey, yes, girl.
Not look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Had a little
Went
presentation
up
or whatever.
and down. Yeah.
Oh, peep the outfit. Peep the hair. She switched it up. She switched it up. Who's that? Who is that? Doing some academics.
Stop. Why you have to say it like that, man? I'm always nowhere.
Okay.
What's he
Oh,
doing?
wow. You watching basketball.
Wow, look at you in your little one piece.
It's not a one piece, you know? I just put it
It's not?
together. No, I'm just fresh. It's a two piece.
What do you stop lying to me, man? You tucked it in?
I tucked it in.
Lying little girl.
Do you want me to untuck it? Actually, I'm not gonna untuck it. It's a look,
Yeah,
but
don't.
it's a look.
I see.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Thank you.
What did you do this morning when you woke up?
I brushed my teeth.
All right.
Okay. Yo, what do you have for breakfast, fam? Interview. So an interview.
Well, this morning I had a chocolate chip muffin,
What else?
some water,
Yeah.
and a granola bar.
Yeah. Okay.
No, my hair's messy, man. You have to allow me.
Big dog, this is an interview. Yo, excuse me, you're distracting. Sorry. So what's going on? So yo, what are you working on today right now?
You know, I'm trying to be scholarly. Like, you know, I want to get bucks. I'm trying to work on my essay.
You work on the essay? Okay. Let's start over this interview, bro. She's messing it up.
Somebody said I'm trying to get bucks.
I really am. Like,
Me? I'm going to class.
You going to class?
I had the same teacher. She knows I'm here.
Who's this?
It was because we did ovarian cancer, and that's the color. Breast cancer is pink.
yes, you know that.
No, that one.
Should I go to this classroom?
Class, man. You're already up and your bag's already packed.
Yeah, pack up. Like, we're
See me,
going.
once I start,
We shall walk.
I remember my first interactions with Olivia on social media were not pleasant.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
She said on social media even. What does that mean?
On Instagram. You don't know what she does? Oh, follow me on Instagram. Time I follow her, she does not follow back. I'm like, what? That's disrespectful.
Let me pull up my phone. Let me hear. Say that again.
Why can I move this cheek?
Can you put in the camera?
Yes.
She famous. Taking me to
I'm
class.
dropping you off.
No, don't drop me.
I'm not
Because
gonna.
I like
if
to
I
move like, yo, I was rushing. If I'm coming in with a person, they'll be like, yo, this guy took his
Later.
time. But I'm already in trouble with
Whose
that.
business is that?
No, but I'm already.
Can you? Let's go over the cars.
So I didn't want to sit back down.
Okay, so class is done. Like, let me just hold on. There we go. Okay, so class is done. Just went to Timmy's and got a small French vanilla with a shot of caramel inside. Never tried it. I feel like it's about to be lit. And an everything bagel toasted with butter. Or an everything bagel toasted with cream cheese. Listen, class today it went well. It was actually one of my favorite presentations that we've had so far because we have like guest speakers from different like interprofessional like departments come in. So all these people are coming in and they're staring at me. It's fine though. Yeah, so they all come in and every single week we have like a new presentation from a new guest speaker. And this guy, although he was very quiet, was one of my favorite presentations. Very interactive, very nice and engaging. Y'all look at my life. Just, I try, I really try. So sad. Oh. Man. Shoot. Hold on. This literally just fell in the hallway. Am I able to get it like redone? Yeah, thank you so much. I don't know if there's like a mop that you guys have. I don't know, because I don't, like, it spilled in the hall, but I don't know where, yeah, okay. She said, we're not dealing with it. I was about to be a regular human being and not be annoying, but I saw Lava in the kitchen and I'm about to go scare her. So this is like one window and she's at the other window down there. So I'm about to go scare her life. The window, I had to back up. I had to get my shoes wet. I had to do it. I still love you.
I injured my arm. Don't ever do that. First of all, it's nighttime. It's 9:50. That could have been an intruder trying to come through the window. Like.
So it is Friday. Oh Lord, it's actually Thursday. You know when you're just ready? It's Thursday and it's been a very emotional, dramatic morning, to be honest. It's 1:31 and I am going to plan my videos that I'm going to film tonight and then edit, do some miscellaneous things, and then go film this evening, come back, edit. I wasn't recording before simply because I was in a rush to get here so I could have enough time to film, you know. So yeah, I'm done and it was a great session. Y'all gonna watch the video and y'all gonna see that it was a good video. The media man, the man who's in charge of like media or something, like here, he was like, wow, very creative. I love how you're putting a chair on a table. He was laughing, but he was serious. He was like, I really like your creativity. I'm just like, listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. Innovation is key when like, in period. Innovation is key. So yeah, so I just wanted to tell y'all that while I had good lighting still, and I was still kind of here. So yeah, I'm gonna just pack up and get gone. Friday morning. I'm gonna film right here even if I can't see a whole anything. Whew. It's 10 now. I woke up at 9 something. I was actually woken up. Mans woke me up at 9 something when Olivia went to bed at 5. I went to sleep. This is like a hot summer sun. Like winter sun is not usually warm like this. This is warm, radiating all over my body. Like you look nice in the sun.
Huh?
I said you look nice in the sun.
It's been long I've seen the sun, to be honest.
I was sitting in the sun all day.
What?
So Olivia thought we were meeting down the hill, but we were really meeting all the way at the back of the hill. So Michaela.
Real.
Walking into nipissing.
After we couldn't find it for like 10 minutes.
For like 12.
Liv's directions were
50.
really clear. You just
Up
you had
and around.
Up and around. So we went up and around multiple buildings.
Multiple buildings, down some
buildings.
roads. Yeah, we're completing a completely different section of road.
We were in residence.
Yeah, we're in residence.
Like last year, last year.
I want to talk.
It's fancier mine.
Thank you.
Because it has like this like windbreaker in mind.
Yeah, that's like, I don't know.
I
didn't actually notice you were filming.
Yeah, sometimes
You're like,
it's hard
oh,
when
look
you're
at
the
you.
person. Like nipissing can go on. Like, look at them. They have the whole line. Yeah, y'all face. Okay, hold on. Y'all facing us on January 17th.
That's for basketball.
Yeah. Okay, Michaela.
Yes.
You want to just bring the car? I'm joking. Okay, I'm joking. She was like, because it's a little nippy.
One more time to my face.
It's a little nippy outside, you know, just a little cold. Is this a McDonald's bathroom for real? Can't believe. I'm very impressed, and it smells really nice. This is real nice McDonald's. Really nice. They were like, come. Yes, sir. Hannah's just going ham.